Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And we're back now. We got back from the store, from Lotte Market, and I just gonna show you the haul. So first, we have noodles, Lucky Me. So we have two of this, and then this one, that's sweet and spicy, I think. And my husband get this one. So we also have this, that's a Korean noodles. I think this is Korean noodles. So I have another noodles. We got a bunch of noodles, guys. We stock noodles. Yes. This. And this. Also these noodles. This is mild ramen. It's ramen. So this one, and Jin. Yeah, I know this is Korean because I saw the Korean actor in the wall. And also this one, Pancit Canton. This is Filipino noodles. There's only few variety of Filipino noodles there, so we just get all the variety. So I also get this. You know, I really like this one. Hi! That's my son in there. And then this chapaghetti. Yeah, we got this also. We have a lot. Kimchi ramen. This is kimchi stew ramen. Ooh. And this is from Philippines, ube cake. Yeah, I think this is the only flavor they have there. Yeah, the ube cake. So, we also got mogu mogu. 3 mogu mogu. Oh, only 2. The peach flavor and melon. That's the only flavor that we didn't try yet. So we don't really have plan to get it, but we saw a flavor that we didn't try. So we got it. And it's sealed. This is a dry anchovy. We call it dilis in Philippines. See that? That's the price. And this is 2 for $1. So I got Owishi. Then we got Century Tuna. I only get 2. This is the calamansi. And this one is the hot and spicy. They don't have more variety. This is the only available flavor there. I mean, yeah, flavor, right? So I also got the condensed cream, the ube flavor. I want to make something using this. And one of my the coffee that I want. They have Kopiko there, but I prepared this because when I was working, my boss is Korean and she always have a pack of this in our workplace. So I always have this. I think that's 3 years ago or more than 3 years ago. Then we also have this. My husband get this. I already put it on the Ziploc because the smell is really strong. He opened it. He wanna try it. He opened it, but he doesn't like it. So maybe I'm the one gonna eat that. So sunflower seed. This is roasted. I don't know why he get 2. Oh, spice flavor. The other one is natural flavor and the other one is spice flavor. He got this watermelon, cactus, like a fruit, like from the specific cactus. And this one, I'm not sure what is this one, but it looked like mini apple. And this one is green plum. Put it back. Thank you. And I got as you can see, I got this lychee. I like this. And honeydew. Yeah, we also have a big one. I'm not sure if that's honeydew also, but yeah, it's like this but big. Also this is I just saw it in TikTok, I think. Got curious. So this is yogurt drink. It have we get 3 different flavor. This is the strawberry, the mango one, and the regular one. So we got mushroom, and this, I got this. Yes. So yeah, I also got sayote. I don't know what that they call in English, and kalabasa. That's pumpkin. Hirap mag-vlog. So I got the fish. This what do you call this? Fried fish cake. I got 2 types of corn. This is sweet corn. My friend said it's really good. And galunggong is the other sweet corn. It's already boiled. So, iinit na lang siya. And tteokbokki. This is the reason why we went there for the tteokbokki. But we end up getting more than we should. Also get longganisa. See, longganisa, I got 2 of these. It's on sale, so I got 2. Also get Thai chili and eggplant and bitter melon, the ampalaya. I'm gonna cook that. Maybe I'm just gonna do a vlog for that. I don't wanna get it in the fridge. So I got this. This is, yeah, as you can see, this is preserved. Oh, this is the salted egg, duck egg. I want to make that, but I cannot see it. I can't find duck egg here. I made that before, but using chicken egg. So this one is the preserved duck egg. I never tried it yet, so I'm gonna try it. This is $4.99. And then I saw this. It's 30% off, so I'm gonna try eat it tomorrow. And here, this is langka. Jackfruit. I think that's all. I forgot the other stuff, but it costs like $285 or $290, almost $290. So almost $300 for that. The purpose is just to buy tteokbokki. That I bought like 2 pack of tteokbokki. We're not gonna cook all of it in 1 pack. So we're just maybe it's gonna take like 4 cookings. So yeah, I think that's it. That's all. I don't forget anything, right? And we bought chicken there. They have the Lotte Market. It reminds me of Lotte World in Korea. We've been in Lotte World in Korea. And I wish we come back there someday with the kids. I think the kids will enjoy that place. And yeah, even the writings are the same. So maybe I'm just gonna make a vlog when I make some dish using all those stuff. So that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. My son is watching TV. I hope the sound is not gonna copyright it. So guys, bye. So he's doing his homework. Circle the same. What? You wanna wash up? Okay. Okay, it's fine.